Hello everyone, welcome to another GoHighLevel video tutorial and guide. Now in this tutorial, I will show you how to track form submissions in Google Ads with GoHighLevel. Now before we get started, you can get a 30-day free trial by clicking the first link down below in our description. And yeah, you can basically experience GoHighLevel on your own, and you can also watch some of our other tutorials on GoHighLevel as well. So how can you actually track form submissions in Google Ads with GoHighLevel? Now, as you can see right here, and I will link this down below as well, obviously the step one is to choose the correct Google Ad account in integrations. So when you're in integrations, you need to choose and select the correct MCC account ID and client account ID. Now, if you go right here, we can actually go to our sub account, and from your sub account, go to settings and go to the integrations right here. And yeah, here, as you can see, you have account and property and MCC account ID and stuff like that. So make sure you go and that you copy the MCC account ID and client account ID. Now from there, as you can see, this is the client account ID. You can see the ID, and then you can also see the MCC ID, which is present right here on the Google Ads. Now, step 3 is to add the UTM template in the Google Ad account. Now, you need to copy this right here, and basically, you will need to copy this in your Google Ad account. So, as you can see, the UTM tracking template can be added to 3 places. It can be added at account settings, campaign settings, or ad group level. Now, as you can see, we would recommend adding the UTM template at account level settings. Now, once that is there, as you can see how it works, tracking templates must include value track parameter that inserts your final URL, like IP URL. And then once your ad is clicked, these parameters will insert in your final URL, right? So that's basically it, right? As you can see right here, you can see the example right here. So again, you can go to Google Ads, account settings, tracking, and in tracking, you can see right here, as you can see the image below. And here you can basically paste the tracking template URL from above in the tracking template field below. And then you can hit test. And as you can see, please note that after adding the tracking template, you can run a test and you will see if this works for you. Now, step 4 is adding the script for precautionary measures. Obviously, you can basically go and set up Google Ad precautionary tracking script if you want. You can obviously, I will link this down below so you can see this on your own as well. But yeah, here are just some of the things to keep in mind right here. Campaign names, ads, and ad sets need to be unique. The name parameters can be changed during the lifetime of the campaign. And if you decide to change the name of the campaign or ad set, and choose not to create a new campaign, then data in the CRM will keep referring to the original first campaign. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is how you can basically go and track form submissions in Google Ads with GoHighLevel. Again, if you want a more tutorials on this, you can check out our channel. And if you want a 30-day free trial on GoHighLevel, check out our channel for more and click the first link down below in the description. Thank you guys for watching.